Hi, welcome back to Off the Trails Outdoors. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my DR Mower RapidFire wood splitter and I'm going to be adding a new belt. As you can see, I believe the belt is stretched out and I need to replace this to help make that cycle speed go a little faster. My problem is it's getting stuck in simple maple rounds like that first one, and there's just not enough force. So I've read online and it's probably due for a belt replacement. So I picked this up on the website and I'm gonna take it apart and put it back together with a new belt to see how it works. So stay tuned. So first we're gonna take this cover off, and this is 3/8. One bolt on the back, and it's 7/16. There is a nut on the back. You need to get a wrench on the back. See how loose that is? We're going to replace the belt and then tighten things up. Here that is holding tension on the mower, so I'm going to unloosen this so the belt comes off easy. Okay, there's also 4 bolts, 2 on each side, that are holding it to this plate. I'm just going to unscrew those a little bit. If you want to look at my belts here, the old one is definitely about 1 inch longer. So this will help tighten things up. So let's try to get the belt on. Okay, belt's on, already seems tighter. I'm going to now tighten this back bolt. (9/16) with a wrench. I'm not going to reef on it too much, I just want to make sure she's tight. Okay. Okay, I have the new belt on. We're going to fire this up. I have a similar piece of maple that we ran the first time before we changed the belt, so we'll see how much faster it is, and we'll do a comparison. So let me get her fired up. So as you saw, a quick, easy blade replacement will make this splitter fast and furious again. So now I'm looking forward to testing this out on a whole pile of firewood I have outside for this one test. Did great, and I'm very pleased with the results. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button and like the video if you can as well. And I will see you on the next video. Take care.